What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy Palpatine again. Today we got a 2008 Piaggio Fly. It's 150, but we got the 50 sticker right there. It has a Turbokit exhaust. We're gonna show you guys how it sounds. It looks very good. You got custom wheels. This bike is usually a different color right here. It looks way better like that. But yeah, let's see how it sounds. It's gonna turn it on for us. Get that low idle speed right there. Gotta fix that up a little bit. Yeah, that's it right there. This is how it sounds. Looks good. Low profile. Looks so good that it looks like a 50, even though it's a 150.